Hi all. Today's topic is all about is tax deducted in current month payslip? Steps to save that. So guys, in the month of December payslip, that is which you have received on December 31st or Jan 1st, like there is income tax deduction, right? For few of the candidates, okay? Suppose that amount might be like 8,000, 5,000. So based on your fixed pay, the tax would have been deducted, right? So in year 2022, you would have been declared so many taxes, right? Like for suppose rent receipts or LIC policies or else PPF, NPS, and also there are some health premiums, so insurance. So all the declarations you would have done in 2022, and also based on the declarations, you also have submitted your proofs, right? So I think I have already made a video very clearly on steps to declare tax and also tax proof submissions, and most of the subscribers have requested me to make a video on rent receipts related thing. So I also made a video on that. So if you had any queries, you would have followed those videos, right? So after this, I think after proof submissions like tax proof submissions have been successfully completed, as I already mentioned in those videos that they are going to do auditing. Okay, previously this auditing is not there. From 2022 onwards, they have been introduced this one. So this auditing is like they will be verifying all the proofs submitted whether they are correct or not. Okay, based on your declarations, whether you are submitting correctly or not, they will be checking in this auditing. And this auditing is also very quick, guys. Like they are not taking many months to audit. Within few days only, like within a week or 5 days after your submission, they are providing this auditing result, okay, whether it is successful or not. So after few days of your proof submission, like after verifying, they will be sending you a Outlook mail like tax audit is completed, and they will be mentioning that your audit is completed and please check status in the portal. So this way one Outlook mail will be generated, guys, and please be careful. Like this will be getting expired. Like if you don't see this and if anything goes wrong, you're not submitting it again, then everything will be waste. Okay, please thoroughly check the Outlook mail whether you are receiving this update or not. As soon as you receive this, you try to check in the portal. So I'll be explaining that here now. So like in order to check auditing, like whether it is successful or not, you need to log in into the portal, which I'll be discussing in the video. But before that, a small request from my side, guys. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you have any personal queries you want to ask me, you can ping me on Instagram, and subscribe to Telegram channel as well for useful video links. Okay, now let's move to the rest of the video. So guys, now how to check whether your audit is successfully completed or it got any rejection, or what documents you need to resubmit. So those things we will see now. So as soon as you receive that mail like audit is completed, please go to the Allsec portal, okay, where you have done your tax proof submissions. I'm not talking about the declarations, guys. So inside the tax tab, you need to you need to enter into tax proof submission page. Okay, so after landing into that page where you have submitted, so those related documents will be there here. Okay, suppose you have done rent receipts, so those documents, housing loan documents, so those will be there right here, like section 10. So declared amount, proof amount, cleared amount, and upper section you can see like audit is completed, like this, right? So in order to check whether your auditing is successful or not, you can see here, right? Here cleared amount is 97,000. It means that like proof amount and cleared amount should be same. Okay, the proof amount is 97,000 here, and cleared amount is also 97,000. It means whatever you have submitted is successful. It means the same. Here if you see another thing like rejected amount is 0, it means everything is successful, guys. If the rejected amount is like 10,000, 11,000, then it means that something went wrong and you have to do resubmit. And in remarks section also, if they mention something like suppose there is some policy you are paying and that policy proofs you have submitted, so in that remarks they will be mentioning this document is invalid, please resubmit with proper documents, like that remarks you will be getting. So the important point to check whether your audit is successful or not is to check in the rejected amount tab and also the remarks tab. So if anything like rejected amount is there and remarks are there, based on the remarks so itself, you need to resubmit the documents, okay, correct documents. Suppose a few of the candidates are asking me, like they have declared the location, okay, rent receipts location in their native place, okay. Suppose their working location is in Chennai, but they are providing the proofs of Madurai, so that will not be valid, okay. Like definitely, as I previously also mentioned, you should declare your rent receipts in the working location, then only it will be valid. So it got rejected for few of the candidates, saying that your rent receipts are not in work location, so please submit location wise, I mean working location wise rent receipts, like that. So please be careful, guys, and watch the remarks and make sure that if no remarks are there and rejected amount is also zero, then make sure that your audit is successfully completed, okay. Everything whatever proofs you have submitted is successful and correct. So those who are having rejection, okay, rejected amount is there and also remarks also are there, for those people, please make sure you are gathering all the correct documents within 3 days, guys, because after 3 days if you submit also, it is of no use. Within 3 days itself you have to resubmit it. So for some of the guys, like 23rd, this 23rd they have given deadline, so few of the candidates are receiving different dates, but be careful and try to submit on time, guys. Now let's see, like those who are unable to submit, like those who are like after timeout they are thinking to declare and do tax proof submissions, or for suppose after doing resubmitting the documents also, they it got rejected. So for those candidates, like huge amount of income tax is getting deducted, right? So I think in the current month of, I mean December month payslip also it got deducted. So what's their situation, what they can do? So guys, like if you have failed to submit proper proofs, or else you have forgot to do the tax proof submissions, then that amount will be deducted till this March month salary, guys. That I mean till like April 1st or March 31st salary you will be getting, right? Till that salary it will be getting deducted itself, like you have no option left. So after that, in the month of March or April, okay, you will be receiving a Outlook mail where they will be telling to do tax declarations. I mean that tab has been opened, so you can do your tax declarations, like that you will be getting a mail. So at this point of time, if you do tax declarations from that month, okay, from April month salary onwards, you can save. So in this month also you are not going to declare any tax, like that, no, at that time. So how much amount before you are getting deducted, the same amount will be deducted all over this year, okay. So guys, at the right time you try to do at least, okay, tax declarations this year correctly. I have already made a videos for you also in order to guide you well. So those two video links I'm gonna paste in the description, or else in the card wise you can check. So and follow that and do the declarations in right time. So one more step, like if you failed to do the tax proof submissions and your amount, like, so for some persons like 12,000 got deducted, let us assume. So 12 months means for this 3-4 months it will be getting deducted, right? So because you haven't declared, you haven't like submitted proofs. So 12,000 in 3 months means 36,000, right? So is there any chance, like whatever the deducted amount is there, can I get them back? So if you can ask me like that, the only solution that I can give you is there will be CA, guys. I think you people have well known about this, like chartered accountant. So these people, right? So if you hire a CA, like they will be charging you 1,000 or 1,500 based on your package. So they will be checking all your pay slips and they will be suggesting you what are the policies or what terms like you can take. So if you hire the CA, first of all, they will be asking you regarding your Form 16, guys, and your payslip related things. Suppose if you are unknown of how to do e-filing and all those things, so these people will do in instead of you, like they will be guiding you all these things. So they will be telling you, so in order to save this tax, suppose your package is 13 LPA, let us assume. So for this 13 LPA, it may be like 10 is fixed, okay, 3 LPA is your variable pay, let us assume. So for this 10 LPA, what are the policies like HRA, how much you have to do, policy, LIC policy, you take like 50,000 one, so something like that, based on your package they will be telling you. And why they are doing the ITR filing, right? Suppose they are doing your e-filing. So at this point of time, so they will be submitting all the proofs related things. So whatever they will suggest, you have to do that. So after following those things, they can like there is a possibility, okay, I'm not assuring you, so you can have a discussion with them and you can ask, is there any chance that I can get my deducted amount? So most of my colleagues who have failed to do tax proof submissions like that also, those people are like consulting CA and they're getting a way. So some of the, I mean, some of my colleagues also received their deducted amount, like 4 5 thousands or 8,000. So whatever amount is deducted monthly, they are getting them back. Okay, so these 3 4 months. So you can also hire a CA and you can ask them there is any chance like that you can get. And while doing the ITR filing, they will be submitting the proofs related that, and whatever amount is deducted, you can get them back. So please be like make sure you are having the form 16 everything. They will be asking you, so that if you explain also they can't understand, guys, based on the TDS like form 16 everything itself only, they will be getting to know a clear idea of how to make you, like how to suggest you what are the things to be done. Okay, so I hope that you are understanding the importance, like why you have to do tax declaration. Because previously you would have thought like tax will not be deducted, everything is fine, seems to be fine, but the thing is not like that, guys. Most of the amount will be deducted from the tax only for the higher packages like above 6 LPA 7 LPA. So tax will be deducted. So you make sure that you are submitting everything correct. Okay, if you do that, then only you will be benefited. So make sure that you are doing tax declarations at least properly from this year, and you are also gathering the proofs for them as well. So everything is done, then the tax will not be deducted from your payslip, guys. Please follow the videos which I have made, that will be helpful to you. And you can, if you have any queries, you can comment in the comment section. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, guys. If you have any queries, please ping me on Instagram. I'll be available to clarify your doubts as well. And follow me on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching. Take care.